Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay advanced tax online. First, let's understand what estimated tax is. It covers income not subject to withholding, such as earnings from self-employment, interest, dividends, or rent. You typically need to pay estimated tax if you expect to owe at least $1,000 in tax for the year. Failing to pay enough through withholding or estimated payments can result in penalties, so it's crucial to get this right. Next, let's talk about calculating your estimated tax. The IRS provides Form 1040 ES, Estimated Tax for Individuals, which includes a worksheet to help you figure out your payments. You'll need to estimate your total income, deductions, and any credits you expect to claim for the entire year. Once you have your total estimated tax liability, you generally divide it by 4 to make equal quarterly payments throughout the year. Accuracy here is key. Now for the convenience of paying online. The IRS offers several secure methods. You can use IRS Direct Pay to make payments directly from your checking or savings account, which is free. Another option is to pay with a debit or credit card through one of the approved third-party payment processors, though these may involve a processing fee. For regular filers, the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, or EFTPS, provides a secure and easy way to schedule payments. Finally, let's cover important deadlines and some helpful tips. Estimated tax payments are generally due quarterly, on April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. Remember to adjust your payments if your income or deductions change significantly during the year to avoid underpayment penalties. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Staying organized and proactive with your estimated taxes will save you headaches later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.